Welcome to my podcast. Today's question: why you should believe in the power of possibility. It is the karma that defines the person. It is the karma that is the footprint of your future happenings. Life is an endless cycle of karma. What you sow is what you reap. The deciding factor of current life and the upcoming lives is karma. There was a very cruel man who used to kill people and animals to support his family. And so his family was never ever short of anything. They had lots of wealth and food. Everything that they wished for was in abundance. And the man continued with his killings and his looting to support his family, to provide them with as much as they wanted. One day, as he was passing through the forest, he met a pious man, a saint. And the saint asked him, "For whom do you do all of this killing and looting?" And the man replied, "For my family." The saint said, "Will your family account for all the killings and looting that you do?" The man said with pride, "Of course, after all I do it for them, for their comfort." The saint said, "Please go and ask this question to your family." The man went back and asked, and the family said, "No, we will not account for the killings that you do. You feed us, but what you do to accomplish that is not our concern. Why should we account for your killings and looting?" The man was shocked. He thought he did it all for them, to feed them, to provide them with comfort, but this conversation opened his eyes. He went back to the saint and cried and pleaded for help, and to relieve him from the horrible sins he had committed. He was no longer interested in killing and looting. The saint was now his guide, his master. He renounced the world and engrossed himself in deep penance and meditation. After several years of severe hardship and very difficult penance, this man attained sainthood and became a renowned saint. He was called Saint Valmiki. And he wrote the most sacred scripture of Hindu religion, the Ramayana, the legendary epic story of Lord Rama. Thousands of years have passed by, but Ramayana remains the very backbone of Hindu religion. What a mind-blowing story! Millions and millions of devotees of Lord Rama are spread across the world, and they all read Ramayana, written by Saint Valmiki, a man who once was the most dreadful sinner. This is the power of possibility. Just a change in perspective and thoughts start changing. The very life starts transforming, and you can see the life of the most dreadful sinner transformed into the most holy and pious lifehood. Exactly the way an ugly looking caterpillar starts transforming into the most beautiful butterfly. The sins can never change, they are static and they have to be paid for, but the sinner can always change. Sins happen when consciousness is absent. The very meaning of sin is the absence of self. Hate the sin, not the sinner. Every saint has a past and every sinner has a future. Life gives opportunities to every individual for selecting the right path, the virtuous path, the path of positivity. Eventually, what you choose is what you become. Just beyond the horizon of so called impossible is infinite possibility. And one who believes in this power of possibility can never fail, no matter what. Success and progress always dwells in the power of possibility. Just beyond the horizon of the so called impossible is infinite possibility. Believe in the power of possibility. Meditate.